Hi, I'm live Kermit the Alien, and today I'll be unboxing more lava lamps. Here I am after my long break, which I'm really sorry for, but there was a lot going on with my life. Too much, I would have said. I joined a band, then left the band because it sucked. Went from forever single to taken for a week and then got heartbroken. I performed live 2 times, one with my ex-band. Yeah, there has been a lot of unfortunate events on the way, and I'm really sorry for being gone for so long. But here I am back with another lava lamp and some Roomba videos coming along too. Don't mind the mlurmilch over there. I'm just taking a sip. And I am lactose intolerant, by the way. Yeah, I like living on the edge. As you can see, I have 2 of them. However, one is going over to my friend for her birthday. The second one I got for myself because it was 20% off if you got 2. So, you know, buying one for someone actually got me a reason to get another one. And I don't have this model yet. I don't even have the color that it's in. I believe this is the one. No, this one is actually for my friend. This one is violet and orange. So I'm gonna put it away. And mine is pink and blue. You can see I marked it over there because they didn't mark it, and I was afraid that I would mix up the 2, so I marked it myself. I just looked at the bottle inside, nothing else is taken out. And this is a pretty unique lava lamp, if I do say so myself, because this lava lamp runs on a tea light, like a candle, not on electrical current. It does not contain a bulb. You can see it's called the Fireflow, and this is the candle-powered model that is shaped like a rocket, because of course, I'm trying to collect every rocket there is. They did come out with a kind of like lunar, I guess, spin-off that is called the Rocket, and I really want to buy it, but it also kind of cost me $300. I think that was. If I was mistaken, it's gonna show up on the screen. Either way, let's get opening. There we have a bottle. You can see it's pink liquid with blue wax. There's nothing in this, just a piece of cardboard to protect it. And here are, I guess you would call it the body shells, and a little instruction on how to assemble the light itself. Here is the top. It's the heaviest top that I own for a lava lamp. I got mine in black metallic. I would describe it as more of a gunmetal, a really dark chrome, not black, like really dark gray. You can see it on the background of my glove. It is really reflective. It has this matte kind of engraved little ring around it, some vents on the top for the extra heat, and some little decorative engraved details. I will find out what this is. I have no clue what that could be. Oh right, there it is. It's for the bottom. And there we have the bottom, and I can see it actually came with a couple of tea lights. Oh, there they go. It came with 3 regular white wax, probably not scented. I'm gonna check them out in a second. There we have the base. You can see the 3 little legs like on the Telstar, a little sharp bottom with some writing on it, for use with 1 single wick tea light candle. Yeah, it's probably for, you know, people that would put actual smoke and fire in there. Maybe lit up paper, I don't know, something stupid. Of course, you have your necessary safety instruction. Metal parts become hot when in use. Maximum size 38 millimeters. Release it from its plastic prison. Oh, I thought that was a plastic cover on top, but it's just... Oh, it's filled to the brim with wax. I thought this was like a cover. It's the candle itself. It's right on the inside in the slot, nice and protected. And I actually like this because I don't trust myself with fire. And it's keeping the lights nice and protected inside, so I don't have to worry about setting my place on fire. came with some instructions. I wonder if it's the same. Oh, it's actually different. It's for the candle-powered ones. Our model, which is the Fireflow, it also comes in Pod Plus and the regular Pod. The Plus one has a longer, I guess, leg. They all use the same bottle, they just have different bodies. And yeah, it comes in basically every language under the sun, and it's your typical don't be an idiot, don't drink the lava lamp thing. You can see even the cap tells you to not drink the lava lamp. Although it may look delicious, I would really like to drink this. I won't. I'm thinking this is... Wait, how does it go in there? Oh, there's a slot for it. There it goes. It has to sink deep in there. Then the bottle goes on top. The top goes on like this. It kind of snaps into place. It's not stable still, but all of my lava lamps are like this. If you tip them over, I'm afraid they would fall over. But you know, these are not made for tipping over. Here we have the candle, and I'm gonna light it, and we will see how it performs. I am going to bring down my other lava lamps for size comparison, and we will see it bubbling in there. To make my life a bit easier, I actually brought the Fireflow up where my lava lamps sit, because they're all going in there, bubbling, doing their thing. And they are warmed up. I don't want to risk getting burned by them. As you can see here, we have the Telstar, how much bigger it is. I'm actually going to bring it a bit closer here. You can see how much smaller. I guess you could fit 2 Fireflows in one Telstar because it's pretty high. It's the highest lamp of the 3, but not the biggest. The Astro is the biggest. This one is the widest. This one has the most fluid out of all of them. Of course, this one shows weird on camera. It's blue with purple, but it just looks purple on camera. And this blue is brighter than this blue, which looks pretty absurd because this one looks really dark on camera. Here I am with the weapon of mass distraction, and I am going to light up the candle. There we go. As you can see, the candle doesn't really light up the lamp much. Let me turn it over, and let's see it with the lights off. Oh, it looks really cool. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but it's kind of making this pattern on the floor from the grooves that are cut out for the heat. And it is actually lighting up a little bit at the bottom. I wonder if that's gonna work better with the wax melted. Here I am back, the lamp is running, and you may wonder, why are you recording by hand? Well, my stand freaking broke. This should not be happening. So, I guess we're gonna finish this off manually. It's doing its lava thing, really nice looking. I would describe this wax as more of the turquoise than the blue. It definitely looks more greenish. It's also a bit darker. It looks much darker. It is lit up a little bit. It does not light up like all the others. It does in fact look really nice. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see it with the lights off. Here it is with the lights off, and of course it does not show up on camera at all. But it is a bit lit up from the bottom. This camera does not record well when it's dark, but in real life you can see it with no problem. Here is the top. It also looks pretty cool with all the vents. It did get pretty hot. It's actually... I would not advise you to touch this. Of course I have to do it. I have to try it so you don't have to. Yeah, it is really hot. Look at the flow in there. The flow in a tiny little lamp. It's really cute, I have to admit. It's adorable. It's a perfect little decoration for almost like a restaurant or a club, or just for a table if you want to. this one to turn off, you just simply have to blow it out. There's some smoke for my smoke detector to freak over. And the candle, as I forgot to say, it is not scented. It's just a regular white candle, little tea light that you can probably get elsewhere. And it did take about, let's say, more or less 20-30 minutes to start bubbling. So yeah, this would be it for this lava lamp short unboxing video, and I'll see you guys soon. Kermit the Alien signing out. Peace.